Hi everyone, Ashlyn Giza YouTube channel. So today I'm going to talk about elephant ear plants. So right now, this one's gonna unroll and be huge. Has a little bit of probably a little mite problem, I think. So I'm probably gonna take a little bit of dish soap with a little bit of vinegar, water, and kind of spray it a little tiny bit. But, okay, so there's a few things I learned about the elephant ear plant. Sorry, that was my son. I learned that they need at least 7 to 8 hours of sunlight. So since here in Cedar Rapids, Iowa, we don't have a whole lot of sunlight like we used to. And this pot is really big, like bigger than you guys probably think. Like, I'm gonna bend down and like show you guys. So like, there's a stack of DVDs, and then that's how tall the pot is. So if that gives you an idea of like how tall and wide the pot is, like, I mean, look at the these are like bar stools, like stainless steel bar stools, and look at the roundness. Like, I'm up above it. So it has to be in a really big pot because this is a really big plant and the bulbs are really huge. So, okay, I learned that they need 7 to 8 hours of sunlight. So I have my plant lamp that actually acts as real sun, but obviously it's artificial. You can get them like this, which this one I got from my old apartment that I had, so I could like there's like sticky stuff right here, and I could stick it up underneath my stove and stick the plants under the stove at night. Um, while I was awake, of course. But there's other ones you can get where it's a lamp and like they have like a flexible bendy thing on it, so you can bend the light over the plant. But nonetheless, so another thing I learned about these is you don't want to overwater them. They don't need too much water. And also that the fact that sometimes when you cut them, because when they turn like brown or yellow, you want to cut the brown or yellow leaves off. So me and my son last night were cutting the old ones off, and these two right here are new, as you can see. They're about ready to unfold, and they're really bright green and healthy. So that little guy right there was really tall like this one, but it was like really like yellow and like kind of brownish and black dots, not looking healthy. So I told my son, here, help me cut this. So we cut it, and we noticed that on the tip here there's sap. And I did some research, and I found out that sap is dangerous to children, and that you do not want children to, touch that sap or lick the leaves. Like, I know you guys are probably thinking, like, why would you let a child lick leaves? Why would you let a child chew on plants? But children sometimes, when you're not looking, of course, if you're a mom or dad, they get into stuff. So, I mean, I'm even wanting to probably get rid of this plant because I did not know that. So I'm always around my toddler and always around my kids and making sure I know what they're doing. But that sap, I guess, is really, it can cause inflammation, irritation, soreness, and if ingested, like if you eat it or something, it can be poisonous. So, and fatal stuff can happen if you don't get to the ER right away. So, I mean, I've touched the plant before, and I've never had any reactions. Like I said, I think it's just to children, and I think it's also just if you're touching like the sap stuff. It's weird because I've cut them before and sap has never came out of them. That was the first time it ever did that. So I don't know what that was about. But I thought I would let you guys know that. They're very hard to take care of, to be honest with you. I got this from somebody for free that didn't want it anymore. And so yeah, but I thought I would let you guys know that, and I will be on with another life topic.